indicate that people generally focus on the of housing. Just the keyword studies, people. So here, research studies shows that when choosing a home, the of housing, most people here, people, are keen to find means focus on. This is the answer. Somewhere that is in the right place. That means
Location.
That is close to work or study or has easy access to public transport. That is the location. Here, in summary test and in completing summary and completing sentences, you have to consider the words before and after. Yes, it will help you. Now here, all the, that means the question for number 2, these are called cues. The answer for number 2 and number 3 are cued by this way in the text. Like this one.
Same.
Yes. So this is the answer. This is the answer. This is the answer. Property consultants agree that cost aside, aspects such as the number or size of the rooms means features. When you say, what are the features of your home? That means the number or size of the rooms. Or the furniture. Furniture means contents. Contents means inside. And furniture are always inside. So content, meaning what are the inside of your house? Meaning furniture, you see? So cued by this, before and after. In the same way, that means general principle. It's always general principle. This is collocation. General, with that's a general way, but the principle. Then here, the number of nurses and doctors means staffing. That is summary completion.
Actually, nice way to look before you read.
Yes, it's better
clear idea.
Better to guess.
Yes, yeah.
Sure. Now let's go to the last test. Paragraph matching task. I want you to read. This is the question. Then I will explain to you. This is the type. This type of question is called paragraph matching task information. All right. Okay. Read and then read. Don't answer first. Okay. I will explain later. Close.
Okay.